this is Sam Crying with the Heart, and I'm back with, let's see, Black Friday haul number 2. And I do have my Snow and Cocoa series still ongoing. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a mixed bag. So let's start with Jaded Blossom. So Jaded Blossom had a gingerbread deal. It's their newest release. So I went ahead and bought it. I think it was $54.95. Just the cutest. I'm a sucker for gingerbread. I have a lot of them, and I think after this series, the Snow and Cocoa series, I'm going to do a bunch of gingerbread because I need a bunch of tags because I need to start wrapping presents. So it comes with this large gingerbread. Here he is right here. Or she is. So cute, right? And then this one is called the Gingerbread Baking Company. You know, believe in the magic of cookies. Without you, I'd crumble. A little sugar for the sweetest friend. Have a sweet Christmas. It's adorable. Kawaii gingerbread. So then this one, and you can do little faces on them. And then this is a really fun one. It's Build a Gingerbread Man, and it has these different pieces that you can use different colors and kind of make a more dimensional gingerbread. And then this is a gingerbread stencil. Really fun, right? Okay, so a couple things from the Greeting Farm, which I might have this one. Bubbles Anya and Holiday Anya 8. And let's see. Let's do Tailored Expressions. So they gave me a coupon code. Come back and save $5 off of 25. And they usually give you a little freebie. Sometimes it's a stamp. This time it is a glue bottle, maybe? Not sure. Anyway, little freebie. And this is what I got. They had 30% off in their store. And then you got, if you spent $100, you got this one for free. And so I do have the Simple Strips die. So I really wanted this one. This is an exclusive that you get for spending the $100. It's Simple Strips Thanks. So what you do is you stamp it one time, and then they have one die that you just cut, and it cuts all these strips, and so then you have all these strips to play with. And those are great. So I got that one. And then the gingerbread attire that goes with the gingerbread, Build a Gingerbread. And then I saw someone use this stamp set, and it makes a really beautiful layered cupcake. So that's why I'm kind of having this one on my wish list for a while. And it's called Simply Stamped Cupcakes. And it's a red rubber, and it does just a really beautiful layered cupcake that I've seen. Layered cupcake. And then I bought the dies, Simply Stamped Cupcakes for that. Whoa, I lost my light. Let's see. This goes with I'm pretty sure, that I have the background stamp for this one. So I got the die. And then I saw a really beautiful card made with this one, and I thought I would try this. This is a stencil. It's the poinsettia and pine. And then I got this Saint Nick background, and it comes with a little Saint Nick head. And I love these ones where you just kind of stamp, you know, you stamp a whole bunch of Santas, and then it comes with these other stamps, so you can create different kinds of hats for your Santa. And you could even do, I guess, different colored beards. Santa's beard white? I don't know. Anyway, you could do something with the beard. And you can give your Santa, I don't know what you can give your Santa. I have no idea what this is. Is this, I'll have to look and see what these stamps are. Like, are they not a scarf. Is that eyes? Can you, no? I have no idea what this part is. I'm going to have to see. Oh, I know. Maybe this is for the brim of the hat and the little pom-pom, maybe? Maybe that's what that is. This is for the eyes, maybe? Trying to figure it out. Be merry and ho-ho. This cuts out the Santa hat, so if you want to stamp it all and then cut various hat heads out, you can do that. And then this stencil, once you've stamped it, you can place this over your stamped image and you can stencil and it will not cover your Santa heads. It's made to go over this background. It's called Saint Nick Stars. So, kind of unique products. Kind of fun. And then, you know, to make sure I hit my $100 because it's 30% off, I did buy these 3 layers of ink because I thought that it would be nice to do like the gingerbread, right? 3 layers, 3 colors of gingerbread. So then on Etsy, I bought these before, but I don't think I've shown them before. These ones that I've gotten. These are new ones. This is Lamia Shop. She has an Instagram or a YouTube as well, but this is and an Instagram, I believe. This is her Etsy shop. Okay, and they're basically kits that are, you know, color coordinated and that this can open anywhere, that you can use for junk journaling, scrapbooking, and the like. And so, just to give you a little bit of an idea of kind of what's in these kits. So, like this right in here has buttons and ribbon, sequins, and also a really pretty bag all in here. And you've got a gold doily. This looks like maybe from Minte paper, maybe. And I love this because this goes with all my gingerbread cookie stuff. And then, yeah, all the different pieces from the Minte collection is in here. You know, some tags and cut aparts and just some fun pieces that are already cut that you could play with and use. So that's that one. And then I've got this one, which is like a Valentine's Day one. 2 Valentine's Day ones, I think. This one. And it's got this really cute like envelope here. And then another Christmas one, which this one is really full of goodies. Let me show you what's in this one in case. So this one has all kinds of pieces in there. And then it's got an envelope. I love that. I should make some of those. I guess a box you can put together. Paper postcard. It's pretty. So all kinds of vintagey fun. Oh, a plastic snowflake. That's nice. And then these pieces are a belt, like an ornament, stars, really cool ribbon, Santa like ornament that you could hang on the side of an album. So really cute. So I did buy those. They were not on sale, I don't think, but I wanted to get them because it is fun sometimes to throw in different pieces into your album so everything looks not quite so matchy-matchy. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Create the Heart.